Okay, yeah. Right here, right over here, this is perfect.
Listen, I dig the idea, but no.
Come on, man, the sun hits at just the right angle to get all the solar power we need.
And that's exactly why we planted our garden right here.
It's for the planet!
No, I'm not having tractors roll in here and pull a mini Amazon.
Is there any way to set up a solar power system without squashing a garden?
Good question. Using GoliathTech helical piles, we can install an environmentally friendly foundation for your solar project with very little footprint on your garden.
Wait, so you're saying nothing happens to my garden?
Not only is the installation of helical piles very low impact, our helical piles are removable, reusable, and recyclable in case product plans change in the future.
That'll stick it to the man.
Yeah, and who are we buying these solar panels from again?